Hey guys, so we are at a gun show right now, and I only have half makeup on today. It was quite urgent to get ready and go immediately without makeup. See, I'm half asleep, just checking stuff out. They were just showing me this cool like wood gun. It's kind of a fun, cool place for us, and we're here with our friends.
Most miserable place I've ever been.
Because you can't buy every gun in sight.
Because I can't buy any gun inside.
Hey, you should have worn your American flag. I've noticed a lot of people have like Trump shirts and American flag. Why didn't you? You wore camo. That's good. One of his buddies. One of our buddies. Oh, they'll find. What are you guys looking at?
This gun. How big that
that's
is.
long.
Can you imagine trying to hold that and shoot it? Like,
Oh, look at those little cute ones.
That was $9.50.
Those are tinier-ish. Oh wow, there's some serious gun people here. How long It's crazy. Kind of pretty. It actually reminds me of a Clint Eastwood gun. That one does. Oh, there's a teeny little gray one. I just heard taser. Oh, wow. Yes. I used to help my dad make his duck hunting bullets. He had his whole like bullet factory in the garage. He had a good little setup, so it's fun little memory there. I don't know why, but that looks really intense. Like they all do, I guess. Like, yeah, it's kind of crazy. I just wanted to click on real quick and show you this shirt I saw. I love it. The problem is not guns, it's hearts without God, homes without discipline, schools without prayer, courts without justice.
10,000. Oh, sir.
$1,000 bill.
I gotta go take a picture of this, Dad.
I wonder if they left. They didn't want to hear me talk, I guess. But I wonder if money would be less valuable if those were pretty common. So maybe that was a good thing to avoid inflation.
Over here. See, I enjoy that one. No, it's not that section's not one, that's too long. This section is one. Nobody's done. That's closer to one. For a regular normal size adult hand. See, look. 1 inch. Average. Your mom's hand would not be 1 inch. Did you get my Stitch Solar in the picture? I'm just kidding.
Sure.
Okay. So, this here now, we know this was center of our stud. This is our mark for the middle of our rod. We're gonna come up 29-30 seconds for our center mark, and then we're going to check that against the other side and make sure that this area in here with the light is even. That makes sense? So, should be a 1/2 inch of sheetrock here. Right there, we should be catching the stud. But I'm only catching it right there. So I'll put it in with these screws, but these are hair short
Oh, they're too short for the wall?
for your sheetrock.
I have screws in the drawer.
Oh, I'm sorry, a little bit lower. So the top of our bar is at this mark. Does that make sense? Yep. So, how would you figure from center with the difference? If this is 5/8, let's just call it a 1/2 inch to be easy. How would you figure center? So this is your mark, which is the same as this when this is made. So how would you figure center from the top of the bar? let's just say this is a 1/2 inch.
That 10 cents.
So anyway, so if you want to figure that roughly at a 1/2 inch, then you would just come down. Technically, we'd be going up.
There are the new curtains. So it's kind of a chambray style. And I like the kind of the, what's that called? Shabby chic, or not shabby chic, but, and I thought it looked kind of, they had so many different colors, but I liked how it looked almost denim-y, so, you know, for the boys' room. The rods is the industrial, you can't really see, and I'm not very tall, but oh yeah, it's the industrial style rod. So I think they turned out really nice. I think he'll get used to it. And I'll show you his. So there's his. So Bay has a little miniature window, so it's kind of cute. And it's all like miniaturized. So smaller, but I still wanted it floor length, almost floor length, because I don't want it quite touching the ground, so when I can vacuum, it's right under without it getting vacuumed out. But super handsome, at least I thought. That was our handyman, and he's just helped us out a lot, and I'm very happy with how it looks. Hello!
Hey!
Just doing our favorite thing here, playing Scrabble, and
She's beating me 35-6.
only 35 to 6, not too bad. So how's your pumpkin spice latte tonight, Russ?
So good, it's empty.
Mine's so good, I'm still working on it and savoring every drip. Got a good game of Scrabble going on. Bye!
Bye.